Here she is, guys. New to me, 1986 Ford Coachman Classic. 23 foot, 6 inches long. Comes with the infamous 351 Windsor. I've got a Holley 650 CFM carb on there. Got the jump box in here. So in another video, I'll let you guys hear it run. I actually borrowed the guy's battery that I got the truck from. I don't have a battery currently big enough for this. So that will be another video. This thing has 72,000 original miles. It's not the greatest thing in the world. I mean, I know you guys can see some of the stains. There's some rips in the seat. I don't know if you guys could see that, but 72,000 original miles. Everything works. Heat, AC, the generator works on it. Let you guys get a little inside view. So I'm going to be fully restoring this thing, guys. And as you can see, this thing needs some work. There's a leak up here. You can see where it's ruined, this overhead up here. So this will be fully getting redone. All the walls will be white, black cabinets. I did a little test painting yesterday. I really like how the cabinets came out. All the walls white. All of the cabinets for the kitchen will be black. Let's see if I have some of the... Here's the backsplash for the kitchen. Just wallpaper. The countertops will be a white marble vinyl. So the black should pop pretty nice. This is the shower area. And what I like about these is that the shower area is actually separate from the bathroom itself. So the bathroom will be getting redone as well. Nice, has a mirror in it. This is the back room, and this is the worst of everything. So this gutted it. I'll be doing a full resto in the bedroom here. This is going to be my space. Gonna tear it all the way down to the bare metal as you see here. We're going to reseal the entire roof, inside and out. Redo all the insulation and walls on the inside of here. Make sure there are 0 leaks. Make sure this thing stays warm. Seal up all the windows. I think we will be getting rid of the cabinet space, like the storage here. And I would like to build a jig in the middle somewhere in here to hold an entire big piece of plywood or 2 sheets of plywood here, so I can stick one big custom mattress in here, and just make this a huge bed in here. I think I will save maybe a little bit of space, probably like this last section here on each side for storage that will go most of the way in here. That's really all I need. I mean, a bed this big is pretty decent. I mean, as you can see, it's out there. So like I said, I'm going to be doing a full restoration on this thing. I hope you guys will enjoy this. Not only will I just be doing the inside, I will be doing some motor work. I'd like to do some transmission service on this thing. And I would like to paint the outside as well. It's not perfect. As you can see, things on the outside, some of these panels need to be fixed. But for the most part, she runs, it drives. I drove it home, so that's cool. That was a plus. It drove great. It runs really good. So yeah, I hope you guys really enjoy this, and I'll be sure to pump out some more videos for you guys. I'll be working on this thing almost exclusively now. I put the BMWs on the back burner for this. I know a lot of you guys, if you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys know that I've been looking for something like this for a very long time. I'm not much of a Ford man. I know a lot of you guys know that. I'm not much of a Ford guy. I really like, I'm a BMW guy. I like Dodge and Chevy. But this thing, I couldn't pass it up. I traded this thing for some truck parts, and honestly, you can't really get better than free. I'd like to just do regular maintenance on this thing on the outside. Like I said, I'm going to paint it. For the motor, it's not too much going on there. Maybe a couple of seals. I'm going to upgrade the cooling system for sure. I'd like to get wheels powder coated. Those would be gloss black. I'd like to have the truck OD green with gloss black trim. And I'm not sure up here in the cabin area, I would like to dye the carpet black, rewrap these seats, and suede Alcantara the dash and door panels and pillar trim. I think that would make this thing pop just that much more, and such a dated cockpit in here. But yeah, guys, I think you guys are gonna like this. I'm gonna set you guys up on a time lapse while I do a bunch of work in here, and I hope you guys like it. Please like, subscribe, share this video with your friends. This will be a full restoration, guys, so stay tuned. All right, guys, I'm up here to seal this half of the top. As you can see, it is not in the greatest of conditions, but here I am. Gonna try to get this thing sealed up as we can. All right, guys, a little update. First half of the first coat just about done up here. We're on the back half right now. I've not blown off nor pressure washed the top of this yet. There is a leak somewhere, somewhere in that area. You see it's kind of dark there. There's a leak somewhere in there, and that's where it was going down in the overhead. So definitely need to get all of this cleaned off as well. And like I said, this thing will be sealed up definitely, probably. So I'll have to put the link in the descriptions. I know you can't see very well what this is, but apparently this is some pretty good stuff. I mean, I'll tell you guys how it holds up over time, but it definitely seems as I'm probably gonna need more. I'm probably gonna need at least 3 or 4 gallons of this to do this how I want. I don't want this thing to leak at all. So this is definitely going to be quite a few coats of this on top of here to seal this up. And well, I'll get back to it, and I'll check back in with you guys later.